Hello friends, मैं हूँ सिद्धार्थ हम्पनावर and I would like to share my experience of dermatographics test and Mind Genie. So the whole journey starts almost about a month ago, where I got an WhatsApp message from a friend of mine, sharing. It basically carried a video talking about dermatographics and Mind Genie, and it was a video about how this particular science is all about and how it helps you to have a better life, or for that matter, understanding yourself. So I saw that particular video, and then I did my basic research on internet and tried and understood that how old the science is, and who discovered it, and how where all it has been used. And then there was a lot of information about dermatographics on the internet. एंड देन अपेरेंटली व्हाट आई डिड वाज मैंने जो फ़ोन नंबर दिया गया था वहाँ पे कॉल किया, एंड देन आई स्पोक टू डॉक्टर मानसी. And lucky me that I figured out that Dr. Mansi is also from Thane, and during this lockdown period, somehow I was really wanting to understand myself because of certain things that I was dealing with. Madam explained me about it very patiently on the phone, that what is this whole dermatographics about, and how it helps an individual, and how you can apply it in your life. So I guess, no, let's give it a try and let's see. So primarily it involved taking fingerprints, and आई वॉज जस्ट वंडरिंग कि अभी अपने फिंगरप्रिंट्स के बेसिस पे हमारे टैलेंट के बारे में कैसे पता चलेगा. So, just one thing that I want to tell you, this is not about prediction for that matter. It's all about your innate talents that are there in you. And that's the science, with your fingerprints that stays on till your till your whole life. Based on that, there are certain things that are being identified, and that's what the test does. There are different calculations that it does, and it gives away a report which runs about 46 pages, and it is able to identify which part of your brain is powerful. Okay, you have your four or five lobes of your brain, and then you have a left and a right hemisphere of your brain, so on and so forth. So coming back to the main test bit, fortunately, I could meet madam, and my fingerprints were taken, and I was really looking forward to understand what will come out of the report. The report was generated about 7 days time, and then I had there was a counselor with whom I had a call with. Now, the counselor helps us to actually decode the whole report, and explaining as to why a particular behavior of ours is there, and which part of our brain is more developed, and how we can really use that as to our best. So the question arises, which even had arisen in my mind also, ki how is this possible that with my fingerprints I'll be able to come to know my talents. So as and on, the counseling call was in progress. Because of lockdown, I could not meet face to face, but still that did not at all hamper any of my counseling experience as such. And the most important part is that during this time also, I was lucky that I could get the kind of support that I was looking out for. So what happened next was that, how will I come to know whether that report is really the fact, what it is talking about myself? So as the call progressed, there were certain things which actually I thought that I'm good at, but then I could not nurture that particular talent of mine, where I was just under the assumptions. Now, when does this happen? So as we grow up, the education that we take, It's more to do, in most of the cases, more to do with कि job कैसे मिलेगा या फिर how I will earn more money. And in this midst, or more than that, is about the peer pressure or the parental pressure that we have. So when I'm talking about parental pressure, I'm talking about our generation also. Okay, the ones who are in their 30s and early 40s and so on and so forth. We all have chosen our career majorly based on the potential or scope क्या है. Okay, in this midst of choosing that kind of career, we have lost, or we have not been able to even understand that we have certain other talents, which, for that matter, it's never late. The kind of education that we have had, I can always marry that education, those kind of skills, with the interests that I have. So these both things coming together, just imagine the kind of life you would have, and the kind of happiness that you would end up with. So that's where I would want to suggest is that why only a parent should have this test for their child. Actually, the whole family should do it. Why the whole family should do it? Because of a very simple reason, that you will be able to understand your strengths and weaknesses, and you will be able to connect with your partner or with your children, with your parents, knowing that this is your strength and maybe this is your weakness. So the very moment that you understand your strengths, you know where are you thinking from, where are you coming from. And the moment you understand, or when you react to your family in a certain way, you know that this is your weaker area. You know where you need to change your pattern. Okay, this test helps you to understand that. So within the family, so even at your workplace for that matter, whom are you interacting with? At the end of the day, even if you're a software person for that matter, or you're working in a manufacturing industry, you are interacting with humans as well. Your line manager is not a computer, it's not a robot. Your line manager is a human being. How do you know, have those kind of interpersonal skills? How to know that interpersonal skills well? What are your strengths? You come to know that. To understand yourself, your intrapersonal skills are required. You have it within you. It's just that we are not aware, because we have been ignorant about it, the kind of skills and talents that you have. Okay, so this test helps you to do that, helps you to understand yourself much better, helps you to understand how you would react to certain situations in practical life, where it helps you. Say, for instance, if, for that matter, within your family or in the society or at your workplace, if there is a certain kind of a job that is required to be done, say an XYZ task is to be done by which is expected at your workplace, and somewhere you know that you're not liking it, but you're doing it because you have to do it, and you're being judged on that this is what I'm expecting, but you're not good at it. If you know from the test that yes, that's not anywhere your area, you're good in something else. Simple example is that you're a fish which is meant to be, which is meant to swim in the water, and not that you have to walk on a land. Somewhere, if you're expecting that, that you're a fish, that you're meant to swim in the water, but because of the environment around, or because of the expectation from the society or at workplace, you yourself think that you're not a fish, you're a bird which is meant to fly. Okay, a fish which is trying to fly, which is not its forte, what kind of a resistance and a friction that you will end up having within yourself and your life? What if that kind of a friction is there within yourself, in your mind, within you, and as you know that it's creating a lot of internal ups and downs? What is it that you will able to give to your people around, to your family around? You yourself are not comfortable with whatever the situation you're in. So this particular test, see, the doer is you. This test helps you to highlight certain things of yourself. Implementation, execution, and in which direction to move is something which is your choice, which is something which is in your power, which is what you need to do. There are 10 things that are there available because of the age of internet. As of today, everybody has so many career choices, as unlike what it was 20 years ago. these choices will keep on changing in next every 5 years. Now, in the current scenario also, so many new, if we go to see the other side during this lockdown period, there are careers which are, there are the careers that will no more exist, but there are new careers also that are created as of today because of this whole social distancing bit and the lockdown. For example, Zoom. Did you ever think that you would use Zoom so extensively? But now look at it, everybody's, even our parents are somewhere wanting to know what Zoom is. They have never heard about Zoom, what it is. WhatsApp call, video call. There's so many things that are changing now, and it's going to change so fast. So, but then, should I then go in that direction if I have to change my career for that matter? No. You have 10 options with this particular test. You will come to know what are those 2 or 3 things that you need to focus on, and what is it that you are able to perform confidently. Okay. I had a very nice session with the counselor, and a real great support by Dr. Mansi. And I would really want to thank the team, Dr. Mansi, the whole Mind Genie team. The very fact that uh, you know this thing really exists. The effort that Dr. Mansi has put in is to make us at least aware that dermatography exists. You can make it of you can make use of it. You can help yourself, uh, and how you can apply it in your day-to-day life. So this particular test has helped me for that. So I would really suggest that maybe you can just, if you're a family and you want to do it for your child, get it done for your child. But then I would suggest that even you should do it, because you'll see the difference with what comes out of it. It's like discovering yourself. The whole journey of discovering yourself in itself is so what do you say, uh, full of enthusiasm and surprises, that somewhere in your mind that thought must have gone, I think I'm good in this. And when the test talks about it, you're so confident, the feeling that you would get. Believe me, I have been able to sleep very peacefully after that counseling was done and the test was done. Somewhere there is a level of comfort within myself and the confidence that is there within me, that which has helped me to really say it through. So all the best. Thank you.